This video is to show you how to install your hinge covers and your handle. Your window will come with 5 separate pieces to cover the hinges and 1 handle with 2 screws. You'll start with the handle. There's an escutcheon on the handle that rotates like this. The 2 screws that come with the handle will go in there. You put the handle on. Then rotate the handle to open the window so you have access to screw the bottom. Then close the escutcheon, turn the handle down, and the handle should be completely vertical. Let's put the hinge covers on. Each window will have 5 pieces. These are for the top hinge. When you're using this piece, you'll open the window 35 to 45 degrees and slip that through the center of the hinge, and then this will just clip on top. Then when you go to the bottom hinge, these pieces are for the bottom hinge. You'll tilt the window and slide this on first on the back side of the hinge, and then you can slide this down the shaft of the hinge, and this would just clip on to the bottom of the hinge. So let's start with the top hinge. So open up the window to 35, 45 degrees, and then slip the ridged part of the plastic in, and then the rest of the cover should just snap right in place. You can lock the window, and then the other piece just clips right on. Now for the bottom hinge. Put the window into tilt mode. And then take the skinny flat cover and slide it along the back side of the hinge. Then you can slide this down the hinge shaft. And then you can just clip this guy on right here. All done.